Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Michigan State University Federal Credit Union. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your financial documents. Collect your bank statements, income records, and any other financial statements. Determine your total monthly income. Include all sources of income such as salary, side jobs, and any passive income. Next, list your fixed expenses. These are regular payments like rent, utilities, and loan payments. These can include groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Once you have your income and expenses listed, calculate your net income. Subtract total expenses from total income to find out how much you have left over. Now, set your financial goals. These could be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term goals, like retirement. Identify areas where you can cut back. Review your variable expenses and see where you can save. Create a budgeting plan using the information you've gathered. You can use a budgeting app or simply a spreadsheet. Allocate your funds to each category based on your goals and priorities. Make sure to include a category for savings. Consider using the 50/30/20 rule as a guideline. This means allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Implement your budget and track your spending regularly. This will help you stay accountable and make adjustments as necessary. At the end of each month, review your budget. Analyze what worked and what didn't, and make adjustments for the next month. Remember to celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. That's an important part of maintaining motivation in your budgeting journey. With Michigan State University Federal Credit Union's resources, you can access budgeting tools and workshops. Utilize these to enhance your budgeting skills and improve your financial literacy. Stay committed to your budgeting plan for long-term financial health. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.